campsite. We bought a diesel heater. There it is. So we just got it off Amazon, and this is one hokey little thing because I didn't know what to do with it. So this is our hokey mess. The little thing it came with for the hose was like only like a 1.5 or 2 feet long, and I wasn't going to reach the tent, and I didn't want to have to fashion anything up. Well, there it is, look.
That's how big it was.
So I was like, that's not going to work. So I bought this dryer vent stuff from Home Depot. It's like 25 feet long if I stretch it out, so I could put it pretty much anywhere I want. So we're going to try it out right now and see if it actually turns on. So here's hoping.
Start heating.
It's heating.
It's heating. You know I'm going to be way too hot tonight.
We're going to die. But here's the dirty little secret of the rooftop tent, which we didn't know and nobody told us. When it gets cold outside and you zip it all up because you're cold inside, you get so much condensation in there. It's like waking up in a cold bath.
It's like dripping. The walls are dripping.
So terrible.
It's so awful.
So this is the only way to not do that, is have some sort of heater. Like even a fan wouldn't be enough in there. So it's the heat is actually just to keep it from getting wet. We're not really that cold at night, but there we go. We have heat.
Yay.
That's exciting.
Now we need to go put up the gazebo because the rain's coming in.
Yeah.
So.
That's so classic. No rain in the forecast at all for us. And sure enough, pull into camp and get a fire going. Actually, we didn't get the fire going. Boom. Starts raining. It's not raining too bad. But we had just enough room to put our gazebo up. It's a really choice spot right here though. What a view that is. Not that it matters too much. We have the gazebo to keep us dry, and of course our tent. And the fire there to keep us warm, so yeah, it'll be all fine. You see on the water down there? Unless the rain's coming down. It's coming down harder and harder here.
Weather ended up cooperating. Rain stopped. There's breaks of blue sky. So we are going to head up the mountain pass. We're so happy that the weather cooperated. Dan's just airing down, and then we're gonna head up. There's supposed to be some really beautiful lakes, great waterfalls. It's a trail we've never been on. So stay tuned. We're super excited.
Okay, so we're just taking a little side trip here to a little, well, we don't even know how big it is, but there's some waterfalls down here we want to go see.
Yeah, so not too far of a walk.
Yeah, 250 meters, so not too bad.
Not sure what the falls are going to look like right now because it's October, but we'll go check it out. It's beautiful in here.
Yeah, nice walk. Fairly easy looking trail so far. I love all the cedars. It's one thing about living in the valley of the Okanagan. You just don't get all these beautiful cedar trees.
No, I don't need a mansion in Montana. I don't want a penthouse in Perry. No gables and eaves, 4,000 square feet just to fill up things I don't need. And I know to some it makes no sense, but I'm not living just to pay my debts. I've got nothing against that white picket fence or those big American dreams. On we go down the endless road. How can we know what tomorrow holds?
Okay, so I'm not sure what we're to expect, so we're gonna do it together. Ready? Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Wow, yeah, right?
Oh, beautiful.
Imagine what that's like in the springtime.
Oh my. You just get soaked right here. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Wow.
down
It's
here.
so heavy, so I'll carry it with you. And I know you'll carry me too. It will be home wherever we go.
So we started going up and over the mountain pass. We've been on this road for what, 5-10 minutes
About
max?
that, yeah.
We've so far lost 3 degrees. It's now 6 degrees up here. Lots of switchbacks.
Pretty steep too.
It is pretty steep. Let's see. We started at 600 meters. We're now almost at 1100.
Wow, not bad for 10 minutes.
Not bad for 10 minutes. It's been pretty steep. Apparently we're going up just over 1,300 meters, I think. We will have a look and see.
Hopefully there's some cool stuff along the way we can show you. I know there's some cool lakes and stuff up here, so.
And we're headed towards blue sky, so hopefully we have some views instead of just clouds.
There's a little switch.
I never get to drive. So you get to passenger for once.
I get to see stuff. Ooh, skid steer. I got to see that. That's exciting. I think I did pretty good the drone flying today.
Yeah.
That's scary. Those are ore
Those
things.
are ore. What the hell? I'm turning around.
Okay, so ripping up this road here. We're almost at the top of the mountain now. And we just glanced out the side to a bunch of wood boxes and we're like, what are the... Those are core samples.
Those are core samples.
Core samples.
And spot those a mile
where there's
away.
core samples, there's usually a mine nearby.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm kind of curious. I don't know what's up here.
We'll go and see how new they are. I mean, this is an odd spot to find core samples. Probably
Right.
should have put on my boots.
I don't see any like other mine stuff except for the core samples themselves.
This is it.
Bet you it's back there somewhere in that mess.
Yeah.
It's usually in the same area, right?
Box 39. So this is where this was taken from. 181 meters. So that must be, yeah. Because they're all labeled, right?
Yeah, yeah. These are cool.
This has a barcode.
Oh, okay.
So it's not that old. So they must come up here and just started drilling.
So there might not actually be a mine up here anywhere then.
Maybe not. Maybe they were just drilling.
This one's pretty.
Yeah.
I like that one. We'll put that back.
Yeah. Oh, look at this quartz.
Nice. Well, that's really cool.
Right?
Okay, well, I guess we'll get back on the road now.
Ew, that's just mucky in there.
We didn't really find anything except for these. No trails or anything to follow.
No. So we hit a fork in the road, and according to our map, we had to stay right. So the roads changed suddenly. So here's where we are, but oh my goodness, look at the mountains
Wow,
over there.
what a view.
I don't know how well you can see them. Look at the mountain peaks across the valley.
There's snow on those
There is
mountains.
snow on those mountains, and they're directly across from us.
Interesting.
Uh-huh.
Huh.
Anyway, we're still headed up and up
And up and up and,
and
up.
up.
But what
and
goes up must come down,
We
right?
do
So
come down to another lake.
it's been a great road so far. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So yeah, keep keep with us and see where we end up?
Because we don't even know.
No, that's half the fun, right?
It is.
Let's explore some dirt.
Sounds good. Let's
That
go.
was cheesy, right?
That was cheesy.
Well, so far this road's gotten better and better.
Yeah. So far, so good.